Good morning, dear students of class 10th. In previous class, I already taught about what is federalism and what are its features. Today, I am going to discuss about another short questions for 3 marks. Difference between the holding together federation and coming together federation. Coming together federation means, any idea about you have? Coming together means when the small states are coming together and become a bigger in size. It's called the coming together federation. Small states are come together and become a bigger nation. It's called as the coming together nation. And holding together federations means while a big nations can divide into a subunits are called as the holding together federations. Let's differentiate what the differentiation between them. First, coming together federation. While definitions write about that, the definition is there. Coming together federations are formed when independent states are come together and form a bigger unit are called as the coming together federation. Okay, holding together federations means when a large country decide to divide and itself to form in a subunits are called as the holding together federation. First point. Second point, in coming together federation, the state government are strong. The state government are strong in coming together federation, but on other hand, on holding together federation, the central government is strong. On holding togetherness federation, the central government is, but either part, coming to the nations, the state governments are strong. In another part, the central government is strong on holding together federations. In coming together federation, all state governments have equal power. All state government have equal powers. Means suppose India have a right now 28 states. Means all states have the equal powers, for example. And in holding together federation, this may not be any case because the central government is the higher authority. So the powers are totally unequal. Means the central government is supreme here, but coming to the federation, each state governments are equally powerful. Got it? Next, examples of coming together federation. Which countries are come under in the coming together federation? The United States of America, Switzerland, Australia are came under or come under in coming together federation. But in other hand, India, Spain, Belgium, where power sharing is there, that's why they are come under in the holding together federations. Hope everyone understood the concept. If any doubts, ask me on my WhatsApp number. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.